Today I'm going to teach you how to make DIY pom-pom ornaments. First, you're going to gather your supplies. You need styrofoam balls, pom-poms, hot glue gun, and ornament hooks. You're going to open up one end of your ornament hook and stick it in your styrofoam ball. And then I like to use some hot glue and then put a couple of pom-poms on the end to make sure that the hook is stuck in there. I let it dry for a few seconds, and then I start assembling all my pom-poms by putting a little bit of hot glue onto my styrofoam ball and then attaching the pom-poms. I alternate different colors, and I don't do any patterns other than just trying to avoid touching the same color directly. But you can always do whatever color combinations and patterns that you want. As you can see, I use the side of the glue gun to spread it really thinly. If you make it thick, it could gloop up in between the pom-poms, and it saves a lot more glue this way. You're going to work around your pom-pom ornament until it's fully covered, and then you're going to set it aside for it to dry. You do get a bit of movement as you're working and the hot glue gun sets, so you can always take a break halfway while it sets and then continue working. Check out madnessandmethod.com for more details.